So late last week, we found out that Riot Games had been breached, and now they're confirming that source code from League of Legends, Teamfight Tactics, and their anti-cheat Pac-Man were all exfiltrated from their servers, and they've now received a ransom note demanding $10 million, or they're going to leak it all to the public. They released this series of tweets yesterday saying, as promised, we wanted to update you. Their analysis confirmed that the source code for those three things were exfiltrated, and they received a ransom email, and needless to say, they will not be paying it. And Vice has the scoop here on the actual note that they received, and I'll just read a bit of this here. Dear Riot Games, we have obtained your valuable data, including source code, We understand the significance of these artifacts and the impact their release to the public would have on your major titles. In light of this, we are making a small request for an exchange of $10 million. And it says they uploaded a tree list PDF file that has the tree for Pac-Man and League of Legends code. And if they need any files for proof, message them. And it says, we do not wish to harm your reputation or cause public disturbance. Our sole motivation is financial gain. So it's clear that Riot is not going to be paying them, and they're saying that they're taking extra precautions since the leak of the source code definitely increases the likelihood that, new cheats could pop up. If the code's flying around, then people can look at it from the other side of the computer and be able to find out where the vulnerabilities lie and where they can actually exploit things. So it seems as though they're handling this the right way. They're saying that their security teams and external consultants are constantly auditing the systems and evaluating the attack. They're working with law enforcement. They're committed to transparency, and they're going to release a full report in the future. And that's it. They're going to keep patches going, and that's it. Business is back to business as usual. I think they definitely handled this the right way. We're committed to transparency, doing all the right things, and they're saying that supposedly no customer data was accessed. We had a little bit of an update here. VX Underground on Twitter says they were currently speaking with the individual. This was last night. Okay, but it says, it was done via social engineering. They stole all the source code that we just talked about. It says we also had access to data via their R console tool, had the ability to send messages out, access player data, send RP, etc. VX Underground was asking for pictures or anything to prove it, some kind of proof, and he's saying it's going to be public on Breach forums. So this thread popped up last night on Breach forums claiming League of Legends source code auction starting at $1 million. I mean, come on, dude. You're never going to get that. But I'll blur out the Telegram and whatnot. There's a few users that have vouched for him here. He posted this same 1,000-page directory tree PDF that he sent to Riot Games, I guess. So he wants to start this auction for the source code for League at $1 million. I don't know. I've never seen any kind of like breach source, anti-cheat, any kind of that stuff go for huge sums. So I'm curious to see what will come of this. Riot is taking the firm stance that they're not going to pay. Let me know what you guys think will come of this down in the comments. See ya.